What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Thursday. It's almost Friday. Hope you guys are having a great day, and hope you guys are having a great week. Today I'm going to be talking about the most impressive Ram truck builds on YouTube. Now, this is my own personal opinion. You know, whatever you think, whichever one is your favorite, this and that, this is my own personal favorite. Just putting it out there for the smart guys out there, you know. So I'm going to be showing you guys 3 Ram truck builds on YouTube that I think are the most impressive Ram builds. But before we get into that, man, I want to say first thing first, guys, I appreciate those who definitely subscribe to my channel. I don't know how to, thank you guys so much, but getting there slowly is a process, and still trying to learn this whole YouTube thing, so it's gonna take a little bit of time. But definitely, guys, I need you guys to keep subbing to the channel, and definitely means a lot. The little progress, I definitely pay attention to those the most than the bigger ones. It definitely means a lot to me, and my goal is to hit 10K. So I need you guys who haven't subscribed yet, or mainly the ones who haven't subscribed yet, I need you guys definitely to subscribe to the channel.
Come on, man.
I'm trying to hit my goal. I'm a small YouTuber trying to make my way up there, and definitely show love to the channel, man. So, it definitely means a lot to me. Thank you so much. And I definitely appreciate, one thing about me is the fact that I don't care if it's somebody watching my whole video for a whole 10 minutes, 5 minutes, or 2 minutes, this and that. At the end of the day, I'm a man who I value my time a lot. So for somebody to stop what they got going on in their life and take their own personal time and be able to sit back and watch my uploads and stuff like that, even if it's 2 minutes or 5 minutes, it still means a lot to me, because I know for a fact people value their time. So the time is definitely something that's important. But let's get right into it. So I'm going to be going with this for my number 1 favorite Ram truck build. To be specific, is a diesel truck. This person also has a YouTube channel, and he one of the ones out there. I definitely watch his YouTube channel also. These are channel I definitely watch, and this one is definitely different and cool. I'm a fan of lifted truck, but not like I'm talking like on a 14-15 inch lift, or probably a 10-inch lift. Anything higher than that, I'm not really like a big fan of them, but big fan of it. But seeing this truck and been watching the progress of it, going up slowly and stuff like that, definitely means, definitely put an excitement on my face. So this truck is gonna be, his name on YouTube is Brandon 24 Valve. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know of him or heard of him, and he has a 24 valve Cummins, and it is on a big lift. It's a blue truck, nicely built. Overall, if I were to have like a lifted truck like that, a lifted truck, that's how something like that I would want. Anything like, I'm talking over 10-inch lift, that's exactly how I want it. Nicely built, and pretty much huge shout out to him. But I'm gonna give you guys a quick little video of his truck. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys seen it, but check it out. You guys just seen, that's my number 1, Brandon 24 Valve on YouTube. Is I think it's a 10-inch over 10-inch lift, 24 valve Cummins, and it's pretty badass. The build is everything. I definitely give it a thumbs up. My next one I'm going to be talking about is, this one is definitely, I ain't gonna say too much, but this is like kind of like the route I'm going with my Ram, and I know it's gonna take a little bit of time, but seeing something like this is not too often. A lot of people do it. This is why it's like one of my favorites, because it's not something that a lot of people do, and it's not like a build that is really like as common as you think. So, so definitely this one. I'll say his name is Incredible Hemi on YouTube, and this is a channel I watch. I believe he has a 700 horsepower, or probably more than that. I don't know. Dodge Ram 1500 that was a 5.7, and he did some stuff to it, transfer over to, you know, he put a scat pack. It's the same kind of like the similar blocks that's in the scat packs that I believe he got it specially made and spec, and he put that into his Dodge Ram, which is kind of very impressive. This is his build. Check it out.
6.4. It's not a stroker. It is fully forged in and out. As you can see, the pistons. BGE, so you guys see that there? Look at these pistons. Oh, Ross pistons. Absolute.
All right, y'all, you guys see that? Number 2, man, it's a top of the line build. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I definitely like that one. And my last but not least, this one, a lot of people, this is a well-known person on YouTube also, and Instagram. I'm pretty sure a lot of people heard of him before. I might, you know, his name is Greg A. I don't know how to say his last name, but it's Greg A on YouTube. He has a bunch of toys and stuff like that. He has I believe he has a Peterbilt semi truck. I believe he has a lot of Dodge Ram 2500 diesel. And this one I want to share that I like the most is a single cab shorty Dodge Ram 2500 that's all blacked out, badass. I don't know how much it make, but I'm pretty sure it's over 1,000. And that's gonna be my 3rd favorite right there, man. I definitely want you guys to definitely check out a few clips of it. All right, y'all, there you have it. So I just show you guys my 3 most impressive Ram builds that I think on YouTube that I definitely like the most. That's the best on YouTube. This is my own personal opinion. You know, I'm just putting it out there for smart guys out there. So definitely those are my favorite ones. Let me know what you guys think. Which one is your favorite? Comment down below. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Peace out. See you guys in the next one.